Watch to the end.
If you hold am here, na the first thing person dey see o. E get one series movie wey I dey watch for TikTok. As to cut the long story short, my brother, I say laugh wan kill me o. E get I no mention anybody name o for evidence. Could you imagine say single mother una don really suffer. Both goat and fowl na dey use una trade for TikTok o. My sister, you no show love na. You no show love. As you your fair reach, you go settle for less. And you your fair reach. E get one. The one where you always funny me where you trigger my anger. He say the girl say whether me bring the pikin come, and then they have to call the competition. He say by that one alone say he because he married with wedlock. Say he husband as he get the way they talk say they don already they win at 1-0 for life. As in I go say wow this man your day based on Abibini boy na odo uji egbenowo. I never knew it was say something else, bro. I haven't put myself few food again. Single mother, I stand down now. And the one way get sense so now I stand down. Single mother will not settle for less. You think say la bubu, abi? Now you wet. I just say me I go see the husband wey dey proud of. You be like husband wey dey order for Temu. If I don't vex so like your wife try your leg come out. If I go no well, I will go give the thing. Give me the thing. My ass in here. I want that for laugh. You too. I don't even know say you be tiffy jacoriko. You go tip person your husband. According to that my girl with me, I got the one you. He said the single father wey get still the buy ticket take go dey see their real boyfriend. He reach your top. You put money for a year. Say, if I don't block you this year, I don't block you. You be bad. Don't dey share this movie video for me again. Sister, you settle for less, so your ex-boyfriend go just sit there, go hear dey laugh. Why you start kill me? Abeg go, abeg. Omo, I make both myself no feel full.